Welcome to US Airways. In case of a water landing, your seat is equipped with a life preserver. To use the life preserver, place it over your neck and make sure it fits securely. Fasten the straps around your waist so that it fits around your waist.
Like so.
Snap and make sure it fits snug. Pull down on one of the red tubes to inflate.
Like this.
Like so.
What about this?
If it doesn't inflate that way, you may use one of the red tubes on either side.
What about the other one? What's the other one for?
That's gonna blow it up, dude.
What's the other one for?
I don't want it to blow up.
There's another fucking thing. Do it.
No, it'll blow up around my neck.
Just do it.
I can't.
I'll cut it off.
Yeah, do it. Cut it off.
Stuck on.
Just do the other one.
Do it.
What if it blows up?
It doesn't matter. Look at him.
What's going on?
It's stuck around my neck. I can't breathe.